Okay, Art 2. This is a video I am making just to go over what to expect the week of 9/27. We'll go over a little bit what we have done for our expressive figure drawing project. Now, a quick overview of the project is that we are focused on process over product. In other words, the steps you take, the planning, the practice that you do to create the project is worth just as much as the project itself in your grade. For this project, you're going to create a work of art that has to be original. It has to have part of a person in there, and it has to express a feeling. And we spent some time practicing drawing people in class. Now, if you missed that, you can certainly do that at home, but there is room in our planning, in our creative process for practice as well. Now, the first time through this can be a little bit difficult, and I will say there's a video on here, overview of expressive figure drawing, where I walk through this process step by step. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to give you a quick version in case you missed class. We started with a mind map. We went on to rough sketches, and then a developed composition. That's what we're working on now. By the end of the day, Monday, our goal is to get here. This is my final composition, and this is my intent. We're going to write this down. This is what I'm going to make, and this is what I'm trying to say. So the video goes over these first 3 steps, right? So watch the video, do them one by one. And yes, when it says you should do 3 sketches, do 3 sketches. Yes, when it says you should take one of those sketches and rethink it 3 times, please do that. That's exactly what I'm asking you to do. There is a purpose to that. It helps you think about things broadly. It shows that you can think about one idea in different ways. So by the end of the day, Monday, we should be here. That means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we will be doing the studies. Again, that is explained in that video. So if you miss class, watch the video. You can watch it more than once. You can review it. And of course, you can ask me questions. And then on Friday, we should start creating our final piece. You have to choose the medium. You choose the style. All right. But if you've done all these steps, you've planned it, you've developed it, you've given it meaning, and you've had time to practice. So we should be able to come up with an original, intentional, well-made final piece. The other thing you're going to have to do is an artist study. So there's a list of artists right here. Some of them you can click on links to see them. Others you're going to have to copy and paste into a browser to get information on them. Okay, and then you're going to answer the questions on this form. What are you in? What do you like about their work? And you have to have, we want a little bit of biographical information, just a couple of interesting things about them. Paste a link to one of their pieces and describe that piece. We're going to analyze it a little bit. Okay, so not too bad. Definitely watch the video that gives you an overview. Definitely do the artist study and just take it one step at a time. This is a little bit complicated. If you're missing class, look for an email. We'll set up a Google Meet for some time during period 8 for you to ask questions. Of course, you can always ask questions via email or via Google Classroom, and I'll be happy to help. Okay, these videos are my attempt at keeping you on track, but if there's any glitches, any information that you're missing, you need to make contact. Okay, don't just sit and wait to try to catch up when you get back to school, because that's not going to be very much fun. We're going to continue to move forward in class. All right, if you need anything from me, please let me know. do not hesitate to ask questions. Good luck, and I can't wait to see you back in school.